Fiji now 26-12, game over really. Well, should we say that after what happened this morning?
I think it's pretty much dead set now.
Need to score two converted tries. James Rodwell on. They can't control it though. Very Malua. Fiji finishing with a flourish. This is one of the great sights in rugby. Fiji on the ramp. Fiji on the ramp. Fiji on the rampage. Dakuwaqa. 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 Puts an exclamation mark on it. Another brilliant performance from this brilliant Fiji Sevens team, the kings of rugby sevens.
It's just spine-tingling, isn't it? You see what they can do with the ball. Just running so hard, belief, faith, whatever it is, I want some. They just do not stop running. It could be 10 Tom Mitchells, they'll still run through them. Fiji inspiring the people, inspiring the crowd, inspiring the world.
I just caught sight of a South Africa jersey in the background there. Let's not forget there's still a lot to be done. Wales have had a great weekend. They'll play South Africa next. Final act of the game, the conversion, 31-12, Fiji into the final.